How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting it. Let's get into the video. First of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. And then simply click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on it. Tap on your profile. Scroll below. You'll find a reel that you have posted without tagging anybody, and now you want to tag somebody in this reels after posting it. So here is how you can do it. Click on the three dot icon on the top right corner, and then you'll see edit post. Click on it, and then on the below bar you'll find icons. Select the blue one, and then you will be able to tag people from your friends. After tagging them, just click save on the top right corner and you'll be able to tag people on Facebook Reels after posting it. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.